Kuku Campers is an Icelandic camper van rental company with its U.S. location right here in Denver, Colorado. How's it looking? So you said this is one of the newer ones?
Yeah, there's only 8,000 miles on this.
Wow.
I don't even know if there's 8,000.
Wow. One weekend in early summer, we took out one of their Class C-Lux Mercedes Sprinter vans. Before we left the shop, they showed us the ins and outs of the van. Down and everything.
Yeah, and you would take it, these will take and make a full size bed.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Underneath
The table and seats fold down to make a bed, and underneath was storage for all of our stuff. Once we learned how it all worked, we headed home to pack up. Okay, everybody, we just picked up our Kuku camper van, and I'm really excited to show this monster of a van. So for the next couple days, we'll be staying in here. We've got a nice little table to sit at, space for us to stay at night. I was just telling John, this place is more high-tech than our house is. Has remote control for the fan up there, has some dimmer lights, Bluetooth for everything. Got our fridge, even came totally stocked with its own, excuse me Maria, its own stove and camping gear. So we don't even have to pack up half of our stuff. We've got cups and mugs and plates, and we've got our working sink under here. So we'll be living out of this for the next couple of days. And thank you, Kuku Campers. We're really excited to use you guys all summer long. Our goal for the weekend was to try our hand at fly fishing on the Arkansas River. In goes. We packed up our gear and started getting the van all ready to go. I'm getting ready to load the van up, and I realized that Kuku really provided so much stuff for us that I don't need half of the things that I normally pack. In here, they've got bowls, cups, 2 different kinds, plates. They've given us knives, a cutting board, all of this silverware. Down here, pots, pans, lighter. Only things I'm adding to these, adding some different size Ziploc bags in case we want to pack up snacks. I'm a big bulk buyer, so I have like a huge bag of trail mix. Some paper towels, toilet paper. Also gonna bring our own wood chips. We like to have a campfire, some dish soap to clean the dishes off, Pam, keep the dishes cleaner while we're cooking, a sponge. I didn't see one in there, but that's not to say that there wasn't. Trash bags, and our coffee French press. That way we can enjoy some of those nice mugs that they have, and we can sit and enjoy the views in the morning. Also got my big box of food down here, keeping all of our meals separated, all of our backpacking material, but I take it with us on every camping trip because you never know what you're gonna need. So really just packing this one box, food box, our clothes, and I'm gonna make the bed in a second, and that's really about it. Kuku, you've really got this all figured out here, don't ya? And we're off! Officially on the road! Night one in the van, trying to figure out how to move the table. Everything looked great, no issues at all. Slept like babies. It's like 8:30. That's really late for us. Normally we're up around like 6 o'clock. Do have to say we ended up moving our bed from the top down to the bottom. John just would really not quite fit up on the top. It's a little too small. As you can see, we still have lots of room, so what we'll do is we'll just move all of these boxes up to the top shelf when we're driving. We're about to head into the town of Salida. John and I both need to re-up our fishing licenses, and we need to get new fishing nets. So we're gonna stop at a fly shop, cook a little breakfast, and yeah, hit the town of Salida and do some fly fishing. We're really excited. The Kuku camper van was a perfect home away from home for the weekend. Between fishing sessions, we cooked meals and relaxed inside. And when we weren't fishing, the rear storage kept our wet gear separate from all of our dry items. We're off to go fishing! Sadly, we didn't have much success fishing, but it didn't keep us from having a great weekend. Thanks to Kuku Campers, this was one of the most convenient camping trips we've ever taken.